space colonization could drastically reshape human life in numerous ways. It would lead to advancements in technology, with new systems designed to survive in harsh environments, potentially improving life on Earth as well. Resources from other planets such as minerals or water could be mined, providing economic benefits. Space habitats may also ease population pressures, reducing urban overcrowding. Social and political structures could evolve with extraterrestrial settlements, and human biology might adapt over generations, influencing everything from bone density to immune responses due to different gravity and environmental factors. Imagine a future where the scarcity of resources is a distant memory. Space colonization offers us a way out of this limitation, a chance to tap into a wellspring of materials that dwarfs our planet's finite reserves. Asteroids, those celestial wanderers scattered across our solar system, hold the key. These cosmic time capsules, remnants from the birth of our solar system, are laden with precious metals like platinum, gold, and rare Earth elements. Picture this: vast reservoirs of water ice locked away on the Moon or Mars, transformed into life-giving sustenance for future colonists, fuel for their rockets, and even oxygen to breathe. The implications for Earth are equally profound. As we venture out to mine the stars, we alleviate the pressure on our own planet's resources, reducing the environmental impact of our insatiable appetite for energy and materials. It's a win-win situation, a symbiotic relationship between Earth and the cosmos. The quest to mine the stars is not merely about extracting resources, it's about unlocking a future of abundance, sustainability, and boundless possibilities for humankind. It's about recognizing that our destiny lies not just on Earth but among the stars. Look at any major city on Earth today, and you'll see the strain of overpopulation, limited space, stretched resources, and the constant struggle for a place to call home. But what if the solution isn't squeezing more into our existing cities, but looking beyond the confines of Earth? Space colonization offers a bold, even audacious solution. Imagine sprawling habitats orbiting Earth, self-sustaining cities on the Moon, or even terraformed landscapes on Mars. These aren't scenes from science fiction. They're glimpses into a future where humanity has expanded its reach, creating new homes among the stars. Think of the possibilities. With the pressure valve released, our cities on Earth could breathe again. Urban sprawl could give way to green spaces, fostering a healthier, more sustainable way of life. The resources that were once stretched thin could be used to improve the quality of life for everyone. But it's not just about escaping overcrowding, it's about creating new opportunities, new frontiers for humanity to explore. Imagine a future where people have the freedom to choose where they want to live, whether it's in a bustling metropolis on Earth, a tranquil lunar outpost, or a pioneering settlement on a terraformed Mars. For millennia, the boundaries of nations have dictated our social and political landscapes. But as we venture beyond Earth, we enter a new era, one where the very concept of borders fades into the cosmic background. How will our societies evolve when freed from these terrestrial constraints? Imagine a future where governance is no longer bound by geography, but by shared ideals and aspirations. Picture space habitats operating as independent entities, each with its own unique social contract, experimenting with new forms of democracy, resource management, and conflict resolution. The challenges of space colonization will demand unprecedented levels of cooperation and collaboration. Imagine international teams of scientists, engineers, and astronauts working side by side, their differences transcending by the shared goal of building a future among the stars. This spirit of unity could have profound implications for international relations, fostering a more peaceful and cooperative global community. The canvas of space is vast, a blank slate upon which we can inscribe new social contracts, new forms of governance, and new ways of living together. The human body, a marvel of adaptation, will face its ultimate test in space. Imagine humans evolving with lighter bones and altered gaits on Mars. Our eyes and lungs adapting to Mars's conditions. The journey to adapt to space won't be without its challenges. Space radiation poses significant health risks. These challenges drive innovation in shielding, genetics, and habitats. Space exploration will test our adaptability, shaping a new kind of human. From the dawn of humanity, we've gazed up at the stars, filled with wonder and a thirst for knowledge. Space colonization isn't just about expanding our physical presence in the cosmos, it's about expanding our minds, unlocking the secrets of the universe that have captivated us for millennia. Imagine laboratories on the moon, shielded from Earth's interference, where astronomers can peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before, unraveling the mysteries of dark matter, black holes, and the birth of the universe itself. Imagine biologists studying the potential for life on Europa or Enceladus, their findings rewriting our understanding of our place in the cosmic order. The unique conditions of space offer unprecedented opportunities for scientific inquiry. Imagine conducting experiments in microgravity, unlocking new frontiers in material science, fluid dynamics, and even pharmaceutical development. The discoveries made in these orbiting laboratories could have profound implications for life on Earth, leading to new technologies, medical breakthroughs, and a deeper understanding of the world around us. The pursuit of knowledge, the quest to understand our place in the cosmos, is a fundamental human endeavor. Space colonization offers us a chance to take this pursuit to new heights, to inspire generations to come with the wonders of scientific discovery. Throughout human history, our differences have often divided us, but as we venture into the cosmos, we have a unique opportunity to rewrite this narrative. Imagine a future where space colonies become melting pots of cultures, where diversity is not just tolerated, but celebrated as a source of strength and innovation. Picture a lunar settlement where scientists from around the world collaborate on groundbreaking research, sharing their knowledge and perspectives to overcome the challenges of living and working in space. Imagine a Martian outpost where artists, musicians, and writers from diverse backgrounds create new forms of expression, inspired by the awe-inspiring beauty of the red planet. This intermingling of cultures won't be without its challenges. We'll need to develop new models for cross-cultural communication and understanding, ensuring that everyone feels valued and respected. By embracing our differences, we can create a richer, more vibrant, and ultimately more resilient society beyond Earth. For generations, we've treated Earth as an inexhaustible resource, masking the damage we inflict upon it. As we venture beyond Earth, we can redefine our relationship with our planet. Can space colonization be the key to Earth's salvation? Imagine heavy industries shifted off-world, freeing Earth from resource-intensive processes. Solar energy farms in orbit could provide clean, limitless power. Space technology could revolutionize environmental sustainability on Earth. Living amongst the stars could foster a deeper appreciation for Earth. For centuries, space was the domain of a select few, highly trained astronauts venturing into the unknown. Imagine a future where ordinary people can experience the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet from orbit. This is the promise of space tourism, poised to revolutionize our relationship with the cosmos. Picture yourself aboard a luxurious space station gazing down at Earth. Imagine the thrill of lunar excursions, exploring ancient craters. The rise of space tourism will democratize access to space and fuel technological innovation. Throughout history, civilizations have risen and fallen, often victims of their own success or the unpredictable whims of nature. We stand at a pivotal moment, our technological prowess exceeding our wisdom, our interconnected world vulnerable to unforeseen threats. But what if the key to humanity's long-term survival lies not in clinging to Earth, but in venturing beyond it? Imagine a future where humanity has established self-sustaining colonies on other planets, safeguarding our species against catastrophic events on Earth, whether they be natural disasters, pandemics, or even our own self-inflicted wounds. The drive to colonize space is deeply intertwined with the human instinct for exploration, for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But it's also an act of profound responsibility, a recognition that we have a moral imperative to ensure the survival of our species and the preservation of our cultural legacy for future generations. The quest to establish a permanent human presence beyond Earth is not an act of escapism, but an act of hope. It's about recognizing that our destiny lies not just on Earth, but among the stars, where the future of our species awaits. The universe is vast, filled with wonders yet to be discovered, mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Space colonization is not merely a technological endeavor, it's a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, our innate desire to explore, to understand, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we venture out into the cosmos, we carry with us the legacy of countless generations who came before us, their dreams, their struggles, and their triumphs woven into the very fabric of our being. The challenges ahead will be great, demanding all our ingenuity, courage, and compassion. But the rewards are immeasurable. The opportunity to unlock the secrets of the universe, to safeguard the future of our species, and to ensure that the light of consciousness continues to shine brightly in the vast cosmic arena.